In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix TextFree not working. So let's get started. Now we're going to be going over the most common issues that could be happening. So just go ahead and follow me and hopefully it fixes, yeah? So the first is that you have to check your internet connection, and this is mostly the most common issue. So make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data, if you're using that, is on, okay? So you can try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. So yeah, make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on. Then you can try restarting the app. So basically fully close TextFree, like remove it from recent apps and then open it again and test. And then you could also try restarting your device. So obviously on your phone, just hold your power button and just restart. I know it is simple, but it's very effective. Then you could also try updating the app. So you're just simply gonna go to your App Store or Google Play, then search this TextFree, and then tap on updates if available, because old versions often stop sending messages or loading. Then you could also try clearing cache if you're on Android. So you can just go to settings, apps, TextFree, then storage, and then go clear cache, yeah? Or obviously you won't use this app on a laptop, but yeah, so if you're on Android, those are the steps you have to use. Then you can also try logging out and logging back in. So you open the app, you log out and then log back in using the same account or email, and obviously make sure that you know your login details. Then you have to check permissions. Now TextFree needs permissions to work properly. For example, it needs contacts permission, notification, microphone for calls. So to see that it has all the permissions, you just go to settings, then to apps, then to TextFree, obviously the app name, and then lastly to permissions. And from here you have to make sure that you give it permission for contacts, notifications, and microphones. And then it could be an issue on TextFree side, because sometimes it's not your problem, but they're on server problems. So if the messages won't send or the app won't load at all, then wait a bit and try again later. Now the last option is to reinstall the app. Well, that is quite simple. Just delete it and then go and then reinstall it from App Store or Google Play Store and then log back in. But only do this if you know your logins, yeah? Now, let me just quickly go over the common problems and quick fixes, yeah? So for example, if messages are not being sent, it's likely an internet issue, a server issue, or an update is needed. If you can't receive verification codes, then you have to wait 5 to 10 minutes, retry, or check your spam folder. If your number is not working, then log out, log in, and then refresh number. And if the calls are not working, then check your microphone permission and your Wi-Fi quality. So yeah, those were the most common fixes to fix TextFree, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.